What is up, you guys? It's me again. I am just taking a walk to the gas station to get some snacks and just observing the clouds and God's creation on this Sabbath afternoon. Let's see if we can see all the way down there. Yeah, 6x zoom. Yeah, maybe the rapture will happen on camera. maybe God will come down out of the sky and rapture me up with everybody. Maybe it will happen right today. I don't think it will. I don't know for sure. Can't say it's doubtful. Can't say it's sure because it's not random either. God knows when it is. Only He does. If He knows, that means it's not random. Random means in a time where nobody knows. Not one single person. Not even God, but God knows everything. So basically saying timing of things, nothing is random. Because God knows the timing of everything. There's the timing of everything. Look at that tree. Look at those clouds. Nice, beautiful day, sunny. That cloud, well, it is cloudy because there's clouds, but you know what I mean. Anyways, guys, talk soon.